Stop lying to yourself. You say you want it, but your actions say something else. You say you're hungry, but you're still making excuses. You say this dream means everything to you, yet you only chase it when it's easy, when it's convenient, when you feel motivated. Let me tell you something, you're not tired. You're undisciplined. You're not unlucky. You're unfocused. You're not stuck. You're scared. Yeah, I said it. But I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to shake you. Because the world isn't gonna hand you what you want. You have to take it. You have to earn it. And that starts with being real about where you are right now. Stop lying to yourself. Stop telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. Stop pretending like you've done everything you can, when deep down you know you haven't. You don't need more time. You need more truth. More fire. More fight. And that starts today. So ask yourself, are you gonna keep playing small? Or are you finally ready to grow up and go get it? You already know what to do. Now do it.